Hi, I'm Teresa and welcome to my Fresh Kitchen. Today I want to talk to you about healthy teaching activities for good nutrition for kids. Childhood obesity is a real problem. It has doubled in kids and tripled in adolescents in the last 30 years. And in 2010, 1 out of every 3 kids was overweight or obese. So what can you do as a parent, an aunt, an uncle, or a teacher, or anybody who has an influential role in a child's life? There's a few things you can do, but it starts by leading by example. Get your own diet in line. There is no way your kids are going to eat their Brussels sprouts if you don't. The second thing you want to do is make sure you focus on colors, not calories. Kids should count the colors in their food, not carbohydrates or calories. If at the end of every day you ask, how many colors did you eat today? If you ask it enough times, your child will naturally start looking for more color in their diet, making sure they meet their nutrition needs and cut out excess calories. Another great idea is to make cooking fun. We've all seen the commercials of mom making cookies and brownies with their kid in the kitchen, but why not bring them in the kitchen all the time? Why not show them the why behind the how of your healthy ways? Get them really involved in the colors of the food that you're working with and the nutrition that comes with that. If you make good nutrition and healthy cooking fun and kid-friendly, there's no way that they can avoid developing healthy habits from the start.